Hi, this is a little tutorial on how I made these very easy pants. It literally took me, I think, 1 hour the second time I made them. So you want to start off with a fabric that you really like. I think you should use linen or some type of flowy fabric. It kind of holds the best for this kind of material. And then you're going to trace out some pants you really like the shape of. I use these ones because I was basing it off of this and I was kind of duplicating it. So once you cut it out, you're going to have 2 pieces and you're going to do this for both sides. So in total you would have 4 pieces, which will be front and back for the legs, if that makes sense. You can kind of see in the video. And then while I was at it, I cut out the strips for the belt and the straps. Right here is for the straps, so I'll have 4 straps in total, 2 on each side, and then I'm cutting out a long strip for the belts. It's also important you make the belt a little shorter, like I did here, because you want to be able to adjust it to your size, and if you make it too big, you're not going to be able to adjust it to your size. So that's what I did, and pin everything together for the straps and the belt because I hate leaving the most tedious things for last minute. You want to put the legs on the opposite side, like the wrong side, on the inside, and then the bad side on the outside. So when you flip it over, the clean side will be revealed. Also, very, very important, I made a mistake here. You want to pin on the inside. You're going to see in a second. You don't want to pin and sew on the outside. You want to pin and sew on the inside where the V is. I made a mistake and I had to seam rip everything. Don't be like me. And you want to do that with both sides, and then once you put them together, you're going to pin and sew the U or V shape, and then after you do that, you should be able to flip it out and reveal your pants silhouettes. This is the part where you can try it on and see how you like the fit, how much you want to take off the sides. I didn't do it because it looked right to me, so I felt no need to do all that. And then the last part, you're going to hem the waist and then attach your belt. Here I'm flipping it inside out because I did sew it, and then I'm attaching the stripes or the straps. There you go, the straps. You also want to sew it on the inside, so then it flips over like this. You can sew it any way you want, but I did this way because I was kind of feeling lazy. And then that's literally it. It took me an hour to make these.